Hey, what's going on, guys? Nate here. Before we get on to the next Life Essential video of the Life Essential series, I wanted to give you a brief introduction to none other than Reed. Reed, one, he's a technical director. I don't know what that entails, but he works with a lot of audio equipment and heavy equipment. He's a hard worker, let's just say that. And second, he is a musician. He's a very talented musician. He knows a lot about music, so anything to do with music and audio, that's his jam. Before we even get started, I just wanted to say how fun of a shoot this was. So Tajmia, Marilyn helped me out with the shoot, and our sides were just splitting because it was just so funny to watch Reed in front of the camera. I mean, you'll have to see for yourself. And maybe you also had to be there, but either way, we just had a great time, and I'm pretty sure Reed was stressing out a lot, but huge thanks to you, Reed, for being a trooper and being sitting in front of the camera and shooting this video for me. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And also huge shout out to Tajmia and Marilyn for helping me out with this video. And stick to the end for some blooper reels, because there was a lot of blooper reels. I had to condense it down to just a few minutes. But either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. So without further ado, here is Reed.
Shooting it.
Oh, I don't know why I didn't think about that.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah.
Am I looking at a camera? Am I looking off?
Dead ass.
Alright, Nate, this is to you.
You might need a tripod for that, because you'll be standing there for a long time.
I am. I'm used to it. I took this last time.
I don't know if I can do this, guys.
You're gonna be just fine.
I don't know if I can do this.
I can't do this. I'm sweating.
Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Reed, and I'm the technical director here at Eastside Anaheim campus. And this is my Tumi backpack. So this is my Tumi backpack. This is the Warren backpack. My girlfriend Adriana got this for me. And let's take a look inside. So, in this first pouch, this is my miscellaneous pouch, right? I got a bunch of goodies in here. Laser measurement. This miscellaneous pouch, this is where I keep all of the stuff that doesn't fit in the bigger pouch and the stuff I need quick access to. So for work, I do a lot of audio, video stuff. I'm measuring things. I do a lot of virtual events. So this is basically like a utility pocket where I keep all my goodies for that. So here I have a sound bullet. It's a nice fun little tool for audio. You never know when you need a magnet charger. So check this out. Charging brick. This is the good stuff right here. I fly a lot, so you never know when you need some Blistex medicated mint or some Burt's Bees. Switch it up on occasion just in case. I want different flavors. Advil. USB-C. 2 cable, 2.0. Just in case, you know. I work with a bunch of different computers sometimes, so I'm like, oh shoot, I need different USBs in my backpack. Media pass for flights. I use this to get discounts on luggage. And then I have a UltraStudio recorder. This is a device that lets you input cameras into computers. So for virtual events, like putting cameras in a Zoom, I usually use this. This has saved a bunch of shows, so love to have that in my backpack. Oh, this is my favorite thing in this pocket. Looks like a pen, is a pen, but also okay. It's also a ruler, and check this out. It's a
leveler.
Last thing in this pack, and this little guy right here, I got a ground lift. So if things are buzzing, audio system's buzzing, pop this bad boy in, takes the ground out. Also helps out in different shows. So that's this pocket. This pocket here is my adapter pocket. This is not an adapter. This is a flash drive. Hard drive, actually. Samsung T7. USB-C adapter for a laptop. Another USB-C for a laptop. Another laptop. And another dongle for Ethernet cables. I'm usually having to give these out to people, so I like to have a bunch so that in case I need it. Another hard drive in case I need it. And that's that one. Okay, in this pocket I have gaff tape. I use this to tape cables, and you never know when you need a gaff tape. So write on things, labeling things. Never have too much of this. I also have a brand new mouse, unopened. MX3 Master. I used this on a show once, and I was like, I gotta have that. It's got a little scrolly wheel on the side. It's ergonomic, so your hand fits in it great. Haven't opened it yet, but there you go. If you want to do an unboxing later, check out the next video. You'll see me opening this. Showing you that. More USB cables. MacBook charger. Good old MacBook charger. Y cable, audio stuff. And there's that. Back in this laptop pouch, we got my M1 16-inch terabyte something right here. Great laptop. And then I got these AirPods Maxes chilling out the back. This is a luggage compartment. You know, when you could shove it on your rolling backpack. I put my AirPods in it. Fits great. Honestly, I don't know what's great about these, but I do know that the noise cancellation, amazing. I don't really listen to music that often. I'm a musician, but I only listen to podcasts, so. But what I do know is that they're really comfy. And check this out. I can hear you. No, I can't. Right? So that's the beauty. Like, I take these on planes. I don't want to hear the babies crying. I'm like, nope. No babies. Someone's talking to me. I'm like, okay, yeah. So that's why I got these for that. They sound fine, but I only really listen to podcasts, so that's why I have them. And that is the truth. This is my Tumi backpack. She's a great little thing. She has 3 Okay.
Crazy!
Perfect.
That was so good.
Okay.
Reed, you're like, you
Oh.
made my day, man.
Oh, what?
Do you need like
Records?
more info on like chapstick?
No, I think.
I have gaff tape.
Can you explain it? Because you just sound like a murderer. Like someone needs to say it. Can you
You got a
explain what?
screwdriver in your backpack and a
Can
whole
you
bunch of that you add a gaff tape. Explain.
Can you explain? Because you look like a murderer.
Oh, okay.
Hey, what's up, everyone?
That was so good.